Role of gravity in the solar system reading passage. Gravity is a very important force in the solar system. It holds the objects in the universe together. Gravity is a force that pulls together all matter. Any object that has mass creates gravity, and that gravity pulls objects toward each other. The more mass an object has, the more gravitational pull it exerts. The Earth has mass and humans have mass, so we pull on each other. However, since the Earth is so much more massive than humans are, the pull from humans is not strong enough to move the Earth, but the pull from the Earth can hold us to the ground and even make us fall flat. We know the effects of gravity on Earth, especially if you've ever fallen down a flight of stairs, but what role does gravity play in our solar system? One of the largest and most amazing effects of gravity in the solar system is the orbit of the planets. An orbit is a regular, repeating path that one object in space takes around another. The Sun is massive compared to the other planets. You could fit 1.3 million Earths into the Sun. Therefore, the Sun has far more gravitational pull than the other planets. Gravity pulls the planets towards the Sun, while the planets also attempt to pull the Sun towards them. Clearly, the Sun's pull is stronger than the pull of the planets. The results of this is planet movement around the Sun in a specific orbital path. The same push-pull relationship between space objects occur with planets and their moons. On Earth, this causes high and low tides over oceans. Gravity creates other space objects as well, such as stars. The inward pull of gravity causes giant molecular clouds made up of gas and dust to slowly collapse, creating smaller areas of gas and dust that will collapse as well, creating stars and clusters. Gravity also holds galaxies together. A galaxy is a huge collection of gas, dust, and billions of stars in their solar system held together by gravity. Earth is a part of the Milky Way galaxy, and gravity controls all the movement that occurs within our galaxy. The incredible force of gravity that holds our entire solar system together could also be dangerous and destructive. For example, one of Neptune's moons is being pulled closer and closer to Neptune, and this force will eventually tear the moon apart. Gravity is a strong force in our solar system and plays an extremely important role.